Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today you guys, I'm back with another video.
I'm out for my grandmother's. I can't wait for when I come there, her and be like, what's this? I say my auntie.
Auntie who?
Monique did it.
Today's phone model we're working with is the iPhone 12 Pro Max. This is a protective case. I don't think I'm going to be doing any like slim cases unless people request them on a custom, but majority of my cases will come protected, so y'all will see a price increase when it comes to that. The customer wanted a replica of this case, and I'm going to go ahead and try to give her something similar. So we're going to lay that right to the side. I'm going to show you that the pieces that I'm working with. I don't know why this was in there. That shouldn't have been in there. I have that piece. I have a lot of pocketbooks. She definitely wanted this AB bow, so I made sure I had that. And then I have another AB bow, which is a smaller size, just in case I need to fit more pieces on. And then I have a little precious diamond, which that shouldn't have been in there. So this is basically an all pink theme, as you can see by the picture. These are not really coming up pink. I don't know why, but these aren't really coming up like, I don't know, maybe because from what I see, I have to wait until. You okay? Done? So we're going to go ahead and try to place these pieces really quick. You guys, if y'all hear noise in the background, my husband is home and yeah. All right, so let's just start placing pieces. That's cute. I like that. That's definitely not going on there. I already have a shoe. Most likely it'll be this piece. Right there. I need to put something else right here, you guys. So let me go and try to find something real quick. And I think I know exactly what I'm going to put. So let me go find it and I'll be right back. So it would either be this piece or... So I'm going to squeeze this piece right here, you guys. And I'm going to come back with something else right here. And then we're going to go with this money piece. So this case is completed. So we're going to go ahead and glue these pieces. Okay, you guys, now let's get the blinging. This beauty is complete. I went in off camera and I filled in the little spaces in between. This was also one of the phone cases that my son took the pieces off. So we're gonna go ahead and pull back the pieces. I mean, I said the pieces, the paper and stuff off of the pieces. Oh, I got a plastic on a couple of things on this case. Some of them aren't fully glued yet. I do see a couple of places where I need to go and fit some stones. Good thing I'm finished, you guys, because the baby is just now waking up. So that one, this. The last piece, and this beauty is complete. I'm gonna go ahead and put some rhinestones in a spot, and yeah, we about to go take some pictures. Talk to me, leave your comments down below, let me know what y'all want to see. Be sure to also go and follow me on Instagram at Designs by NYC. You guys, I'm working on so much right now, but y'all don't want to miss it. So until the next video, bye bye.